Welcome to our GIS Converter Tool tutorial. In this video, we will walk you through the process to use our tool to convert your GIS files. Let's get started. First, navigate to Mapog Map Analysis interface. Click on the Process Data option in header to click Converter Tool option. You can see Converter Tool has successfully opened in right side of the screen. Here, user can drag or drop the data or browse it. Here I am clicking the Browse option and selecting the GML data, then click on Upload button. After a few moments of uploading, choose the output file format from drop-down like GPKG. At this point, you can also set the CRS to make sure your data aligns perfectly with the needs of your spatial analysis. Lastly, click on Convert File option. Here you can see your GML file has converted to GPKG successfully. If you want, you can either download the file or convert another file. Thanks for joining this comprehensive guide. Got queries? Contact us at support@mapog.com.